Ever wondered what could make Valentine's Day even sweeter? How about a heartwarming cup of hot cocoa, but with a twist? Yes, we're talking about Valentine's Day hot cocoa bombs, a delightful blend of white and dark chocolate with a burst of pink and red sprinkles. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? First off, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need some good quality dark chocolate, white chocolate, silicone molds, red food coloring, and of course, pink and red sprinkles. Now let's jump straight into the recipe. Melt the dark chocolate first. Use a double boiler or a microwave, just make sure not to burn it. Once it's all smooth and glossy, pour it into the silicone molds. Spread it around evenly, making sure to cover the edges well. Pop it into the refrigerator. While your dark chocolate takes a chill, prepare the white chocolate. Melt it down, just like you did with the dark one. Once it's melted, add a few drops of red food coloring. Stir it well until you get a vibrant red color. Now, take your silicone molds out of the fridge. They should be nice and firm. Remove and add more chocolate for the tops. Fill them with your hot cocoa mix and marshmallows. Don't be shy, pile it up. Next, it's time to seal the deal. Cover the filled halves with another chocolate half. Use melted chocolate like glue, so dip the bottom and place on the filled half. Back into the fridge they go. While waiting, sprinkle some love onto the white chocolate. Add your pink and red sprinkles into the red-colored white chocolate. Mix it up and let the colors dance together. Once the cocoa bombs are set, drizzle them with your sprinkle-infused white chocolate. Make it rain, folks! And voila! You have your Valentine's Day hot cocoa bombs ready to explode with love and warmth. To use these delightful bombs, just drop one into a mug and pour hot milk over it. Watch as it melts away, revealing a heartwarming surprise. Isn't that a fun and sweet way to celebrate Valentine's Day? Remember, the way to a person's heart is through their stomach. So why not win them over with these irresistible Valentine's Day hot cocoa bombs? Find the full recipe at jarsofflavor.com. Enjoy and spread the love.